Suppose if you are in Microsoft Excel, and in some cases if this is the save button, and suppose if this save button is missing, what should you do is discuss in this video. For doing this, so you can see here that there is no save button here now, and if the save button is missing here, so for enabling the save button in this Excel, you must simply click here, and from there you can see the more commands option here. Just click the more commands, and from there if you move like this, you can see the save option here. You must click the save. After that you click this add, and you can see that the save comes here, and after that you press this OK button, and you can see that the save icon or the save emblem now comes in this Excel page, and you can save by simply clicking here. And in MS Excel, another easy method is you must click here, and so you must click here, and from there you can see a save option, and if you click this save, then also the save icon comes here now. If none of this works, you can also try this shortcut method, that is by pressing the Ctrl key and S key at the same time. And this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.